Hello my friends, my name is Roman and this is a Nate's tutorial about JavaScript, and today we will talk about string methods. We can do some operations with strings that we was talking about them in the previous lesson. So we can add to the string some methods. Let's create some string for the beginning. Let's create a variable. Let's name it string or whatever, but it will be easier for us. String and assign some value. Let's create some text. For example, I like this for the example. Time flies like an arrow, but fruit flies like a banana. Okay, so we have this string. Let's log it str and let's open our console. I just made it in the black color, in the dark color scheme, just for convenience, to be easier to understand what is for it will be easier for eyes. Okay, so in the previous lessons it was just bright. Okay, we have this string. So what we can apply to this string? For the beginning, we can calculate this length of this string. For this, let's dot and write method length 55 symbols we can hear at all. Okay, so we can also check some what is the symbol in the sum place here. For this, let's apply str and let's apply here because just for example 0, because it's 0 based. This is 0 1 2 3, so it will give us 0 symbol on the 0 by 0 position. Okay, it's the t. Also we have here we applied method like and according to array, but it's very not recommended, because we have the same very similar method char add, and here let's write 0. So this is more, I will write it, more safety to do this method. Okay, also we have, if we want to know what is code by Unicode, we can apply here char code add, and also put it here the number of, so we have here 84 code by Unicode. Okay, and what if you want to know the last symbol on our string? We can do it by str, and here in the last in the for example here char add, and in the braces we can add str length minus 1. Let's check it. Okay, we it will be it will be better here to add by this with brackets. Okay, I see. Length, yes. Right now it's okay, because it was misprint. So let's understand what is written here. We have find the what is code, what is character, and to find a last symbol, just calculate this length of our string, and minus 1, it's because we have not from the 1 to 3, but we have from the 0 based numeric system here. Okay, so it was just simple find out then exactly symbol. And what also we can do, we can find and substring we can find substring in our string and retrieve it. How to do it? We have a method name is index of, and let's put here, for example, this word like. Let's comment it. Okay, we have like. We can also it shows us the number of symbol where it begins. We can also calculate where is the last index of this because we have here 2 times it shows, so we can find the where is the last. What is last index of, and like, and we see that in the symbol number, in the place number 42, we have here next word. Also we can find it will give what will give us this method if we haven't here some word. It will give us -1. Let's check it. Index of, let's write for example apple. and you see we have -1 because we haven't here this number. All of these methods give us index of and last index of, also give us opportunity to, we can add here another second method. So for what it used? For example, we want to find we want to search the some special phrase we want to find from, for example, from this place. So it's 26, so let's add here 26. You see? So in the beginning, let's duplicate it. In the beginning it was 11 because it means this word, but when we put here 26, but it's somewhere there, it gives us another place because it's a second word. Okay. Also we have in more or less similar method called search, str search, and also let's put here like, and we have also 11. So what is the difference between search and index of? Because it seems like similar. These two parameters, two methods, can use second parameter in the method, but search can use very powerful index regular expressions to find some words. So we will talk about regular expressions later, but it's very cool feature of this method. So this is the main difference. Okay, let's comment it, and now let's talk about case. What kind of our str, and we can write it in uppercase. It's case. You see, and we can also write it in the lowercase. So each word, each symbol, each letter will be from the lowercase. What if we want to update some part of the string? We can do it with str. For example, let's write instead of banana, let's write potato. So for example, we have method replace, and write here banana, and second argument will be, for example, potato. You see, we have completely another word here because we just replaced it. Also, we can also convert our string to array. Let's look at this. For example, str, and let's write here split method, split, and here we should to write an argument what is separate place here. So for example, it will be space. Let's do it. So you see, we have now an array that also let's check what is it. 1 second. And type of okay, it showed like an object, but generally it's a numeric object. But you see, we have this object here. Okay, so it's an object. What is the difference? Because I will show you some case. We can here we can find like a first letter, for example, or second. Let's second, it will be first one. I. It's generally it looks like we use an array, but it's we haven't. It's not array. So it's sometimes it gives us some very specific problems. So if you want to convert your string to this object or this array, it will be better to use this method. Or for example, we can split it. For example, let's put here a comma. So you see, we have an array that has just two parts in it. Okay, let's talk about concatenation, concat method. Because sometimes we just want to add to some one string two different strings. So let's do it. Let's in the beginning let's create var str1. Let's hello. Hello, and the second variable we will there. Hello there. So let's create a string, a new let's name it new str, and create our this concatenation. Okay, let's better use log. It will be work. We just want to see how it works. str1. So you see, we apply this method to first string and add concat and let's here we first we have here two arguments. First one is how we separate these words. So we will separate with space, and another the last one is second string, but we can use more arguments here. So for example, let's write here 2, and we see hello there. So if we will have here a third string str3 yo, and let's write str3. So you see, we also as third argument here should be space. So we can apply here as far as much arguments as we want. So it's just to make one string. And the last thing what I want to show you, it's very useful to know, is that each one of these, let's uncomment it. So each one of this method not change the string. Let's show it. Log just string, and we see that we changed it a lot, but now we have our origin string. So if you want to change, for example this one, I'll show you. Let's comment it, and this one. So if you want to change original string, or this one, I'll show you here, for example with banana and potato, to do it you should do it like this. You should do str add variable, create. Okay, we have this variable in the top of it, and we should assign the new information. Yes. So you see, now we have completely another string here, but before that we have just original. Our original string wasn't changed, so it's just object wrapper. It names all of these methods. They make an object and apply to this method, and when they return this, they delete this object. So for today that's all. Thank you for watching, for listening, for learning, and we will see in the next lessons. So if you want to see new tutorials, just press subscribe. If you like this video, you can put huge like to this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see in the next lessons. Bye.